Very good morning, all of you. Well, since from long days we are not taking any classes for the first semester because we are already in the final chapters because I had to complete another subject is so that is for the third semester and fifth semester. So that is why we are not taking your classes today. We are engaging your classes. So your main headline of your subject is principles of marketing. Then we are in the model number 5th, that is the last chapter of your principles of marketing. So again, when the classes will start, again I will be repeat all this thing once again. But here you have to give a concentration. So I have to be appeal for the all first semester students. Few students, only few students, they are collected blue books from the office and they are given for the ID for informations and all. Remaining students still they are not taken blue books for the internal examination and they are not given ID proof also. So it will be difficult for you at the time of examination. Without the ID, they will not allow you in the examination hall. That you have to be remember. So many times I told you, I ring up you. So but you are not given a response and all this thing. It is your responsibility. You have to come and collect your blue books and you have to register your for the ID and all. Well, today we are in the fifth model. That is a main headline today discussion is that promotion mix. So under the principles of marketing, promotion means that whatever you are using tool for the making of advertising or informing towards about your product in front of the customer, it is called as a promotion activities. Promotion activities is nothing but as a you have to be informed to a customer with a different medias, with a different tools, that is called as a advertising, personal selling, or there are a direct selling. There are so many things on that they have to be used a promotion. Well, promotion mix means what? Promotion mix means is that or refer to the there are a several promotional mix is nothing like that. They are using several tools for the creating of business of increasing your goods and services towards to the customer. Means here the several promotional tools used by the business to create or increase the goods and services or increase the demand of goods and services. So means marketer what they are doing, they are using a marketing mix. Marketing means is that there are a several tools. Several tools means that there are a several types of selling method they are using for increasing of goods or increasing of demand of goods and services. It is called as a promotional mix. Marketer or seller or manufacturer what they are doing, they are using several type of method to increase the demand of goods and services. It is called as a promotional mix. It is tools means that there are a different type of methods they are using for the selling purposes. They are calling as a tools. So you have to remember what is the promotional mix? It is a refers to a several promotional tools used by the business create to increase the demand of goods and services. It is called as a promotion mix. So promotion mix means that all method they are using for the increasing of demand of goods and services. In this, there are a 4 P's also be mixed. That is nothing but as a place, and then price, and then product and promotion. These are called as a 4 mix. So here, what is the promotion mix? First, we have to know about that, and what are the elements of promotional mix. That is a, or it is nothing but as a, what are the tools of promotion mix. Promotion is the most important thing. So nowadays I think you saw in the magazines, Facebooks and then YouTubes, there are several ads they are given by the Honda company, Honda Bikes company. Means they are using so many tools to increase the demand of 350cc Honda bike. It is called as a promotional mix. Why? They are increasing the demand. People will be know about that product, awareness of that product to increase the demand of 356. There are 350cc Honda. That is a competitor of Royal Enfield. That is why they are given lot of promotion activities is going on. You go through magazines, they are given papers in that, Facebook, YouTube, in everything they are given advertisement on that because they want to increase the demand. So what they are doing? They are using different type of methods they are using for the increasing of demand and services of the 350 Honda. That is nothing but when this company they are using several type of methods, they are using several type of tools. They want to create the business and increase the demand and service. It is called as a promotional mix. Understand about this? So that is why there is several type of method they are using for the increasing of demand of that particular 350cc Honda. That is nothing but as a Highness 350 that they are introduced recently in this market. So what are the elements of promotional mix or tools of promotional mix? That is the first one, advertising. Advertising means what? That first you have to understand. Advertisement, we are observable. Actually, what is the meaning? Advertisement means that any paid form of non-personal presentation, any paid non-personal of presentation and promotion of goods and services means that a company people they are paying the amount. They are not personal touch with the customer. Through the media they are giving in magazines, pamphlets, TV and then YouTube, Facebook, like that they are using non-personal means that they are not face-to-face customer, they are non-personal. Without showing their face, they are giving ad in the so many types in that method. It is called as a advertising. Paid, already they are paid about the advertising money, but they are not contact with the customer. And they are sending through the, there are several type of tools. That is called as a advertising. Advertising is nothing but any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of goods and services. It is called as a advertising. Then next one, what is the elements of promotion mix? Second one, it is nothing but as a personal selling. In this marketer, what they are doing? They are directly contact to the customer. Salesman interact with the customer directly by visiting them. Salesman personally they are going and knock the door, or he will personally visit where the customer is there and he will interact with the customer. It is called as nothing but as a personal selling. Personally he will go. Who? The salesperson. The company will be appointed. That person will be go and they will meet the customer and they will be tell about the goods and services or about the product. It is called as a personal selling. Then sales promotion. Next is that sales promotion is nothing but as a short-term incentive given to the customer. I will give you the best example. Big Billion Days introduced by the Flipkarts recently for the festival. How many days? Only or 3-4 days they are given about that. So that it will be short period selling incentive to the customer. Within the 3 days or 4 days, the customer or the marketer what they are announcing that they are giving a product on the discount rate or incentive rate for only short period. It is called as a sales promotion. The marketer what they are doing? Only they are given few days for the customer to buy in this days. We are giving incentive or some discount on the product. It is called as a sales promotion. Recently, what you are buying in the Big Billion Day in the Flipkarts. Again, it will be starting in the Flipkarts. that is nothing but as a festival again sale. It will be start on that day. It is nothing but as a 29 to next month 5. This is a short period sale. It will be start. That is nothing but as a sales promotion. Short terms incentive given to the customer. This is also a one type of promotional mix. Then next is public relation. A marketer, what they are doing? They are personally maintaining a relation with the customer and the public. It is called as a public relation. The marketer try to build a favorable image in the market, and always the marketer, what they are doing, they want to maintain favorable image. They will never cut the relation with the customers and in the market. Always they want to increase the favorable image and the relation to the customer. Suppose if you are to buy today 350 Honda, then again they will give you the congratulation, and again they are sending some messages, and they are maintaining long term relation with you. Is that it is nothing but as a public relation. They will never cut up relation. That is also one type of promotion mix. That is the elements of promotion mix. What are those promotion mix? First one, advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relation, and lastly it is nothing but as a direct market is there. Direct market is nothing but as a without any intermediator. Marketer, what they are doing? Earlier they are how they are selling? They are appointed supplier, stockist, and then retailer, then customer. Like that they are appointing distribution channels. Here in the direct market, there is no intermediator. Intermediator are not coming directly from the factory to the customer. It is called as a direct marketing. I will give the best example in the automobile. Worth company is there. Worth means that they are supplying each and every equipment connected to the automobiles, even oil, spray and everything they are supplying, but they are never appointing any dealers or never giving in the shops. No, direct from the manufacturer to the mechanical people, direct they have to be giving. So direct they have to be given to the person of mechanic. So this is nothing but the Worth example. Direct marketing is there. So that is nothing but as a, or what you are getting a Flipkarts, Amazon and all this thing. This is nothing but as a direct marketing. They are never appointed anybody directly factory to the customer. So like that, this is a direct marketing examples. So this is also a promotional mix. Here totally 5 promotion mix are there: advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, direct public relation, and direct marketing. These are nothing but as an element of promotion mix. And what is the promotion mix referred to? The is marketer several methods or several promotional tools they are creating for business and increasing the demand and services of business. It is called as a promotion mix. And what are the elements of promotion mix? These are the 5: advertising, personal selling, and sales promotion, public relation, and direct marketing. So these are the very important thing you have to remember. And next classes again we will continue. And those who are not taken in blue books, you have to collect it from the office and register for the ID also. This is my humble request to you. Well, see you tomorrow. Bye.